Finally get to see all of you. Global team.
Global team. So Kiki just joined us today. That's her
Okay.
first day.
Your
at
first day,
Handprint.
okay.
Michigan.
Michigan. So I've done quite a few projects over the past 12 years or so, and I found that this one actually works the best. As you can see, it's metal rod, about 10 mm diameter, and then we cut it, bend it to shape, and then we weld everything down. We attach or we apply the substrate directly onto the metal. So it's hexagonal. One of the beauties of it is that you can stack this. So in terms of storage, working with it is much easier. It's also very small and modular. A diver can easily carry this and move around. So in terms of building the reef, it's also very helpful. Second stage, we use resin and sand from this beach to coat. By using marine sand, we have the exact same constituent that the corals would like. What we also want is this rough surface. All right? Corals love rough surfaces because coral as an animal, when they reproduce, there's a larva that grows out and floats around in the ocean. Then they float around and they find a rough surface where they can attach onto, and then that's where they'll grow. Yeah, those are the reasons why I kind of like using this structure. Allows us to scale very quickly also. So the first time we did it was 4 years ago. So we started out with 20 structures. We thought, oh, that's a good idea. So let's get a few, let's try it out. And we found that it actually grew really well. So from about 40, 60 structures pre-pandemic, now we're pushing 1,000 already. And I think we can do about 40 to 50 in a day right now with our team. Yeah, more if we have more people. So the coral itself becomes habitat for fish. Yeah, it takes a bit of time. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Visit handprint.tech to learn more.